When we talk about the existence of one thing or one person, we use there is. For example, there's an apple on the table. To make a negative statement, we can use not or no as negative particles. So we can say there is not an orange, there isn't an orange on the table, or there's no orange on the table. Now the difference is when we use not, we have to use a or an for singular nouns, but when we use no, there's no need for a or an. So there is not an orange, there isn't an orange, or there's no orange. If you go 30 feet underwater, you won't see anything in red because there's no red light at that depth. So human blood appears green.